The final stretch.
Remember when I said this would take a half an hour?
Yeah, I know.
And we spent 45 minutes on spin the needle or whatever.
Spin the dreidel, yes, I remember.
Dreidel, 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 I make you out of clay. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel.
I play with you every day.
Wow, I really gave you the hard task, didn't I?
Yes! He looks cross.
Okay. What does that screen do?
Screen.
Behind you.
I wish my head was as hard as a...
Flaker maker. Beautiful snowflake. Jason, click on the shapes. Oh.
Perfect.
Ooh, I want to try.
Oh, okay, yeah, you make your own stuff. Oh, we can print it! Get the printer ready.
The printer is not connected.
Oh, yo.
Let's see. Yes.
Now unfold it. Ooh, I like that. Yes. Oh! That is my favorite.
Wait.
Oh, there it is. Oh, you know what?
That actually looks cool.
Yeah, it's not bad. How?
I don't know.
Well, print it. A more beautiful snowflake I've never seen. Yes, you need that. Magical. Glorious.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
You can take all the credit for that one.
I shall. Alright, friend.
Here we are, Inspector.
Get out of here, Worthington.
Inspector! Are you coming back to work? Oh, yes! Then I'm so glad to see you. And you.
Attention, all personnel. The president is arriving. This is not a drill.
There's a lot of sexual tension between them, Jason.
I agree, it's probably the pickle nose.
It's gotta be.
Mother Nature! Heavens! Do I look all right? How's my tie?
It's a good thing we made those snowflakes before the inspector that was there.
Yes.
I don't know. We've got to stall her. We'll think of something.
Oh, there she
Mother
is.
Nature, how nice to see you.
Cut the chit-chat, Thunder. I'm making a full inspection of the facility. And I'm warning you, if everything isn't absolutely perfect, you're both in deep trouble.
Oh, so? Am I threatening you with my asparagus?
Mother Nature, you haven't seen my slides from my trip to Cleveland.
I'll try to live with the disappointment.
Wow.
Let me see those monitors.
That looked like a fun trip.
Here, it shows up a little.
What's going on?
Who are you? Prepare to fight!
It looks like everything is working just fine.
It is? Of course it is.
And Who might you be?
I'm Pajama Sam.
Security!
The boy
Hit
who...
with the celery.
He's our handyman, that's who. Keeps everything running smoothly. I don't know where we'd be without him.
She papped us
I'm
real
happy
good.
to report that all the weather machines are working perfectly.
Why are you wearing pajamas?
All right then. Thunder, lightning.
Oh, she was
Good
easily
work.
satisfied.
Fire?
I thought she was making a full
Certainly not.
inspection of the facility.
Now, if you'll
Apparently, a
excuse me,
full
I've got to
inspection
get to the Elf.
is just looking at the monitors. Bye.
Sam, thank you so much for all your
Jason, I want
help.
to see what happens when
You
we push
fixed
that
the
red
last
button.
machine just
Let's
in
do it.
time. You saved our job.
And the weather is all back to normal.
Do we get any
Does that mean
bonuses
it'll
for
be
getting all the
stormy at
puzzle
my house
pieces?
again?
Yes. In
Achievement.
fact, how would you like to take the controls for a little while?
Me? Control
That
the
seems
weather?
like a good idea.
Sure.
Let's do it.
This wasn't the big
Controls how
one.
much rain there is. And this one is a volume control for the...
Remember when we came here to delete them?
Oh boy.
That's it.
Wow. Interactive design, Matt Mahone. Rhonda Conley.
Forecast showers heavy at times. Plenty of
Lead
sunshine,
artist.
cloudy skies with flurries.
Rhonda Conley.
I think we need to replay.
Production coordinator, Julia Hill. Jason. Creative director, Ron Gilbert. Script written by Dave Grossman. Programming by Day Evans and Mark Petticoat. Tammy Carol Borwick, Ross McIntyre, Nicholas Sutton. Sound effects programmed by Jeff Kirk, Nicholas Sutton, Mark Petticoat, Celine Devin Hearn. Lead system programmer, Bradley Taylor.
Can't keep up with the screens.
Raining Clogs. Lead animator, Raphael Calanzo Jr. Additional animation, Fred Sott.
It's raining school buses. Someone should really do a safety audit on that. There it is again.
Storyboard artists, Tom Whitwit. Well, Jason, we've beaten the game.
Sure have. What do you think happens after the credits?
Alright.
My name's Otto.
Is this the first game we've ever
My name's
played? Probably not. Oh gosh. It's raining clogs. How long do you think the credits are for this game?
I don't know, but I would like to thank Dela Longfish, Max Bumgarner III, Valerie Kissling, Linda Spain,
Skies with flurries today.
well,
Jason King! That's me, King Jason.
final thoughts.
Complicated. Definitely not for children.
Definitely not.
I'd like to see a kid figure out how to get gold. Surely not. How would they expect to find the inspector?
I don't know, I don't even know how well we found the inspector.
By
Forecast showers
accident!
heavy at times. Plenty of sunshine
DJ.
today. Skies with flurries
Matt
today.
Turn.
Frost.
Owen Pham.
Ingrid Sutherland.
Ginny McSwain.
Online mode. There's online back then? Audio engineer. Featuring some.
And Melissa Dahl.
Is that Steven's wife?
Additional voice talent by Mike Manioy, Rick May, Ross Douglas, Manny Hall, Mary Jo O'Donnell,
Shelley Reynolds!
Bill Truckle, Jay Hopper, Ken Boynton, David Scully, Dex Manley,
I recognize that last voice.
John Holyoke, and Mike Shapiro.
My name's Otto.
Pajama Sam 2. Copyright 1998.
Humongous!
Entertainment. All rights reserved.
Don't even think about pitching some rights. They're all reserved.
Is it just this now?
That was the credits.
I mean, at least we sat through them, I guess.
Right?
Replay or quit. Yes, I did that already.